In this video we will discuss how to safeguard and do maintenance of construction sites using applicable building codes such as NYC Building Code. As per Section 3303.1 of New York City Building Code, construction sites shall be safeguarded and maintained in accordance with the provisions of this section to protect the public and property. Utilities at a site fell under two categories, which are existing services and maintaining the essential services at construction sites. Existing services. The location of all existing utilities and service lines shall be determined, and adequate measures must be taken to safeguard the public and property before such utilities are disturbed. Maintaining essential services. Following elements needs to be maintained at all times during construction or demolition operations in existing buildings. Required means of egress must be maintained at all times. They shall not be obstructed in any manner that would destroy the full effectiveness of such means of egress. Existing structural elements, fire protection devices and sanitary safeguards shall be maintained at all times during construction or demolition operation in existing building. Exception 1, where adequate alternate provisions are provided or where the element is temporarily or permanently disconnected, removed, or demolished. Such alternative means shall be shown on the approved plans. Exception 2: fire protection systems, including but not limited to sprinklers, standpipes, and fire alarms, shall only be taken out of service in accordance with the requirements of the NYC Fire Code. All temporary electrical equipment and wiring shall meet the requirements of the New York City Electrical Code, and shall be maintained in compliance with such requirements. Portions of permanent electrical installations may be used for temporary operations provided the requirements of the New York City Electrical Code are met. Temporary lighting for construction sites shall use high-efficacy lamps with the following minimum efficacies: 60 lumens per watt for lamps over 40 watts. 50 lumens per watt for lamps over 15 watts but less than or equal to 40 watts and 40 lumens per watt for lamps 15 watts or less. Sanitary facilities. Sanitary facilities shall be provided during construction or demolition activities in accordance with the New York City Plumbing Code. If any utility is to be removed, relocated, or have its service interrupted, the utility company or city agency affected shall be notified at least 72 hours in advance. Prior to the removal of any service, the utility connection shall be disconnected and capped, and certification to that effect issued by representative utility company shall be filed with the department. Watchperson, where an individual building being constructed or demolished has a footprint of between 5,000 square feet and 40,000 square feet, a competent watchperson shall be on duty. Watchperson shall be at site during all hours when operations are not in progress, from the time when foundation is poured to when all work has concluded and certificate of occupancy or TCO is issued. Where the building has a footprint of more than 40,000 square feet, at least one additional watchperson shall be on duty for each additional 40,000 square feet of building footprint, or fraction thereof. The watchperson shall be familiar emergency notification procedures to the fire department, shall possess a valid security guard registration with the state of New York. He shall also hold a valid fire guard certificate from fire department, and for a major building shall have completed the training required by Section 3310.10. Exceptions. There are few exceptions applied to this rule and are 1. Where the square footage of the building requires 2 or more watchpersons, the number of watchpersons may be reduced, subject to the approval of the commissioner, where 2. An alarm or video monitoring system is in place, or where the layout of the building allows a continuous line of sight across the entire building. and at least one watch person is provided. The building is actively monitored in accordance with fire safety and evacuation plan approved by Fire Department in accordance with New York City Fire Code. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please visit www.t.r1night.com if you need site safety plans, occupant protections plans, special inspections and tenant protection plans. Goodbye. See you in next video.